Scientists have just discovered something absolutely fascinating about scar tissue, because it turns out that scars don't just change the structure of the tissue, they can change how it behaves. Most people think a scar is just something you can see, but scientists are discovering that scars can actually change how tissue functions. A fascinating new study has just looked into scars inside the heart. When someone has a heart attack, a part of the heart muscle dies and is replaced with scar tissue. So these researchers developed a new way of looking at the heart that allowed them to see two things at exactly the same time. Firstly, where the scar tissue was, and secondly, how the heart's electrical signals traveled through that tissue. And what they found was really interesting. The electrical signals didn't move normally around scars. Sometimes they slowed down, sometimes they were blocked, and sometimes they travelled around the scar in unusual ways. These changes can increase the risk of abnormal heart rhythms. In other words, the scar wasn't just sitting there doing nothing. It was actually influencing how the heart actually worked. Now, this research isn't about treating scars, it's more about understanding them. But I think it highlights something very important. We're learning that scar tissue isn't always passive. It can change the way that tissue around it behaves. And the researchers even suggested this technology could help us better understand other conditions involving scar tissue and fibrosis throughout the body. You see, the more we learn, the more we realise that scars are far more interesting and far more important than most people ever imagined. If you'd like me to keep sharing the latest in scar research, let me know in the comments, and if you like it, well, give it a like. See you next time.